What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the video today. We're going to be breaking this 2020 Topps Chrome Blaster box. 7 packs in here, 4 cards per pack with the chance of autographs and 1-of-1 superfractors. Let's just get right into it. I'm pretty excited for this. I've already opened up one of these boxes and had some pretty good luck with all the rookies. So I'm hoping to repeat that here for you guys. Go, and let's try to start it off right. First pack. Alrighty, kicking it off with a rookie Philip Deal. Nice card. Second, Yoshi Tsutsugo. Next, we have a rookie Tyler Heineman for the Giants. And last, an Ian Miller rookie card, Chicago Cubs. Nice card there. 3 rookies out of 4 cards. Not a bad start. On to the second pack. Alrighty. Yasmani Grandal. Next, we have an Ernie Banks insert. That's a cool card there. That wouldn't be numbered, I don't think. Let's see. No, still a nice card. Third, Mike Moustakas. And a Starling Marte to finish off the second pack. All right, third pack, Cole Calhoun. Then we have a Nick Solak, Kevin Pillar, and lastly, Giancarlo Stanton, Home Run Derby. Nice insert there. On to number 4. Starting it off with a Buster Posey. Cool card there. All-Star Game insert. And Bo Bichette rookie card insert. Decade Next 2020. That's a nice card. Definitely keeping that. Big Papi David Ortiz. All-Star Game. And a nice Derek Jeter All-Star Game. Cool card. See what we get next. Gleyber Torres All-Star Game to kick it off. And next, nice Griffey Jr. card. Pedro Martinez All-Star Game 99 insert. And last of the pack is a Jordan Alvarez rookie card. Nice card. Second to last pack looks like. And I think this might be the same David Ortiz Home Run Derby. Nice card. And Sandy Koufax insert. Cool looking card there. Who we have next? Pete Alonso. Nice there. And last we have Robinson Cano Home Run Derby. Awesome. So last pack. So far done pretty well. I think the Bo Bichette is definitely the best card so far that we've hit. See if we can top it. And started off with Eric Davis. Next we have Aaron Judge, nice card. Next, Edwin Encarnacion. Awesome. And last card of the box is a Logan Morrison. Nice cards. Quick little recap. Let's see what we have. Main rookies, Yordan Alvarez. Nice there. Still, I think the best card we were able to hit was that Bo Bichette, Decade Next. Definitely going to sleeve that up. Buster Posey, All-Star Game. Nice card there. Giancarlo Stanton, Home Run Derby. Nice Ernie Banks insert. And then this was the 3 rookie card first pack of Ian Miller, Tyler Heineman, and Philip Deal. All right, that does it for the box. If you guys enjoy these box breaks, please like and subscribe. I have a lot more coming. I'm going to try to upload every Tuesday and keep having content for you guys every single week. Appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for the next. Thanks.